little green. There are some grass that is not normal for us. Maybe for you it's not green, but for us it's too green. Perfect. So we started in Recife, the capital. We've passed San Bartolomé, where the airport is situated.
So we've arrived at this volcanic area here, and this guy is handing out little pieces of hot rocks that he dug out of the ground that from less than a foot under the ground. You can see everybody juggling them because they're hot, but it's cold outside, so there's a big difference.
2 meters 480 Fahrenheit. He's putting the bush on the rock. Be careful because the wind, hello. Oh, yeah. Okay, when you finish of taking your pictures, please follow me this way. Because okay.
La tengo. La tengo.
So we're inside the restaurant now, and these potatoes here are all cooked just from the heat from the volcanic rock in an open air kind of environment outside the kitchen.